Well, hello everybody, it's me, Sassy Stacey, and welcome to episode Trois, number 3 of my All of My Shoes segment. And today, as usual, I'm going to try on 4 pairs of shoes that I think go well with this outfit, which, by the way, is a dress I made back in way too long ago, like 20 years ago. It's actually remodeled. I believe there was like a white puffy piece, like a 90s dress off the shoulder with a big bow here, and I just took that off and used ribbon and cherries and cool material to make the rest. I think actually this might have been pajamas or something. Lots of pajamas that I cut up and used. But yeah, I hope you like it. It's a Sassy Stacey original. Blast from the past. So today I think I gotta start with my Comfort Plus red shoes. Now these jobbies have a fan. I don't know if the guy's a fan of me at all, but this guy, I want to say his name is Joseph. It starts with a J. This guy, you know who you are, loves these shoes. Loves them. He's offered to buy them. I just can't give them up. Not until they're properly destroyed. I did wear them at Tootsie's at the beach when I went to Lawrencetown, Nova Scotia. So if you can see from there, there's still some mud left on it because I also use these for my Tootsie's in the Park selection. But nothing really happened at the park, but when I took them to the beach, they got beat to crap, like super beat up on the heel. Fallen in between all those rocks, because in Nova Scotia, God forbid, we have a sandy beach. We don't. It's all rocks. Or if there's not all rocks, there's many rocks. So yeah, so that's really the only wear and tear on these guys. We have some like little bends, wrinkles, I guess, creases from walking. Got a nice scuff right there. Again, it's all scuffed up around the back of the heel. Still a bit of mud on there. I'm not doing very good at keeping them clean, am I? Anywho, let's try them on. Nice. I like these. They're so comfortable. I have spent entire 8-9 hour shifts in these without a problem. They're super comfortable. I miss Payless solely for their Comfort Plus shoes. Is there anyone else that's going to be selling them? Please comment down below. Let me know. I'd love to know about that. It's nice to have comfortable shoes that are still stylish. You know what I mean? They do a nice dangle. They're nice and light, well balanced, like made for a dangle, for sure. And I don't slip and fall because they got a nice rubbery sole on them as well. And they were such a good price. I think they were only like $40, which is ridiculous. Maybe $50. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Don't know what I'm gonna do if I ever go back to an office job where I can wear heels. Not even these would I wear around that lot where we store our cars at work. Not even in these. Alright, I'll do a little walk. That is pair number 1. Now, what shall I put on for pair number 2? Pair number 2. Oldies and goodies. These are Fiona brand, and I think I determined last time I did a little, well, maybe they are spring. Sorry, they aren't Fiona. Interesting. So they're spring, and they're old. They're 20s of years old. But in remarkably good shape despite. This is kind of like a satin heel here. Satin on the toe, satin little strappies. Not much wear and tear to speak of on that one, but on this one we got lots on the heel here. We get a little chunk out of the tip, and the insole's flapping around there like a tongue. I don't know what else to call it. But yeah, these are old. These have been worn many times, many times. Many. And they get this cute little bow when you tie them. I like them. I like them a lot. They're all together spooky, the Addams family. I don't know where it came from. I don't know where it came from, but it's in my head. And now I'm just singing random crazy crap. There. That's cute. Let's see if we can get a good bow on this side too. All right. I'm failing at chairs. There we go. All right. Whew, there we go. All tied up, looking really cute. I always feel like Playboy Bunny when they're tied up. I don't know why. A little bow tie, I guess. Not the best to wear with a chain, apparently. But we'll work with it here. These are super comfortable. Don't normally wear them with nylon, so I am finding them a little bit slippery on the inside. But yeah, I like them. Again, they're great height, easy to walk in, easy to wear for a number of hours. Can't really complain too much about anything with these shoes. They've definitely, whatever price they were in $19.99, they've definitely paid for themselves, for sure. I feel like they're kind of pin-uppy as well, and you get to see my arches and my tootsies. What do you think? Is this your favorite pair? At the end of this episode, we'll be very close to halfway through all of my shoes. This will be numbers 8 through 12, I believe. Pretty crazy. I mean, is it even a Sassy Stacey video if there's no dangles? It's not. It's a fake. If you see a Sassy Stacey video with no dangles, it's a fake. Pair numero 3 will have to be my wedding shoes. You've seen this before. These are one of the stars of my most accomplished YouTube video, doing a throwback to some old faves is the name of it, and I'm so close to 1 million views. And I don't understand why, but man, I'll take it. So we get my My wedding shoes here. These I ordered on Amazon. They are Show Story shoes, and they've got about 1.25" platform and a zebra heel, which has seen better days. Lots of wear and tear on there. I have worn these a couple of times just around and in shoots and whatnot. And on the bottom I had a friend paint Till Death Do Us Part. Oh no, you can see the tops of the toe right here is pretty beat up as well. But overall, they're nice looking shoes. Again, oh look, and there's the sole is eating itself away on the sides, and Do Us Part. So the other one said Till Death, and this one says Do Us Part. And again, that heel, she's pretty beat up by, and yeah, I like them. They're a velvety red, and the sole is kind of rubbery and sticky, so you don't slide around on floors and such. And they stretched out quite a bit pretty much immediately. There were no half sizes, so I had to go for an 8 because I was scared the 7 wouldn't fit. A 7.5 would have been fantastic, and I really think I could have gotten away with a 7 because of how quickly they stretched. My foot is not secure in these shoes. But they're pretty, and I got married in them. I shall keep them forever. And I got married in a park outside, and there was lots of branches for me to trip over. It was lovely. I wore red and white at my wedding, and the zebra was part of the decoration. Yes, it's crazy, I know. Who would expect someone like Sassy Stacey to wear red at a wedding? Jeez. That is it for pair number 3. Well, what shall we put on for pair number 4? I feel like I love polka dots, cherries, and leopard together. So I'm going to bring out these jobbies from Aldo. The Aldo Stacey's, I believe. And these are a shorter heel. These are a nice pump. Or are they a Casadei? I can't remember. It's either a Casadei or a Stacey. I'm not sure. I know my holographic ones are Stacey. So these guys I found on sale at the Bay. Aldo shoes on sale at the Bay. I don't know, but I'll take it. And these are a patent shoe. I don't know if they're leather or not. Made in Vietnam. Well, probably not leather. And yeah, it's like a almost printed onto the material, and the bottom is nice and shiny and same as the shoe, which is my favorite part actually. I love that the bottom of the shoe is uniform to the rest of the shoe. Aldo does have a nice little cushiony spot right in here and on his toes, which make their shoes very comfortable. I have worn these out and about, and they do take a beating very well actually. There's hardly any damage. I got a little bit of you know, scuffs and stuff on the very tip there, but other than that, the shoe is in really great shape. And this one too, actually, they're starting to wear a little here on the sides of the toe box, and oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. There's still a sticker on here. I'm a lazy basic bitch. Shame me for this. I'll never live this down. At least it's not on a plain shoe, and you can't really tell, but now that it's on there, it won't be on there for long. Again, the tip has a little bit of wear and tear, and there's some glue seepage on the side of the heel, but overall in pretty good shape. I wore these to my Christmas party last year, and they were very comfortable. They could definitely use a little bit more wearing in, I guess. The right foot is a little tight. Right's my bigger foot, so right foot is a little tight, but the left one seems to fit really perfectly, and I like that. I like it a lot. Yeah, yes. I think these were on sale for like 60 bucks or 40 bucks or something. I can't believe it. I think it was $40 because $60 is still a lot of money to me. Maybe someday I'll be rich. Maybe. A little dangle, and then we'll go for a little walk and talk. Oh yes. Oopsie. Okay, so nice and snug. Totally different foot feel than my wedding shoes, mostly because, like I say, they're snugger. These do not have any type of platform in them. They're not open toe. They're a completely different shoe, so it should have a completely different feel. I love this together. This is probably one of my favorite outfits. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Do, do, do. I want to thank everybody for tuning in and keeping to watch me. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, I'm full of surprises. Hit the button. Do yourself a favor. I promise you won't be disappointed. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Reddit, as well. I've got OnlyFans and Patreon, and the links for all of that is down below. No matter what platform you're on, my information is somewhere. If you can't find it, it's in like a profile or something, or an about page. And that will give you all my sizing and my PO box address and such. So thanks so much for tuning in and supporting me thus far. It really means a lot. I enjoy doing these videos for you, and shoot me some ideas. I am working on the crushing videos. Okie dokie. That shall be my next series after all of my shoes. Well, thanks so much, guys. Sassy Stacey out.